this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on your MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of motherboard from MSI or any other one, you can follow the steps in this video to update your BIOS. All that you need to do this is a USB drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage, however, it needs to be formatted, ideally in FAT32. So make sure that you format the USB drive, and you will have to download the BIOS files. These files will be loaded into the drive so the motherboard can use them to perform the update. To find these files, go to the official MSI website and look for the Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi product page. If you have a different model, then look for that model instead. Just search for this page on Google and then go over to support. So you will see a bunch of options at the top. Choose support, and then under drivers and downloads, you will find BIOS and the option to download it here. You have some additional links if you would like to learn how to use these functions, but after you download these BIOS files, you will have to extract them somewhere. So extract them somewhere. Now grab the actual BIOS files itself and drop them inside of the USB drive. Ideally, like I said, it should be formatted, and the only thing inside of the drive should be the BIOS file that you downloaded from the official website. Once these BIOS files are loaded into the USB drive, you can now plug it into the back of the motherboard. There are two main ways to perform a BIOS update. You can use this button here, and if you want to use this function, you have to put the pen drive in this slot where you can see BIOS, but if you use the other method, you can place it anywhere. So if you insert a pen drive here, and you have your PSU power cable connected to your motherboard, you can press this button for about 3 seconds, and it will automatically read the pen drive and perform the BIOS update. Alternatively, if you insert a pen drive here and you go into the BIOS by pressing delete while your computer boots, you will also find the option to perform the update. So press F7 until you have this full view of the BIOS. Then go into M Flash at the bottom left. You will find your USB drive connected here, and the BIOS file will be listed at the right. So click on the USB drive, then choose the appropriate file that you see here, and you will be able to perform the update. Make sure that your computer doesn't shut down, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.